Greetings, Space Cadets! Welcome back. Today, we are leaving Earth and heading to the stars. Is your space suit ready? Zip it up, put on your helmet, fasten your seatbelt. Are you ready for blast off? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off! Become a tall rocket. Reach for the stars. Keep your body straight and strong. We are flying so fast. Look at the moon. Let's become a beautiful crescent moon. Lean to the side. Feel the stretch in your ribs. We are flying the space shuttle. Keep your wings steady. Focus on one spot on the floor. Don't crash. Look at all the stars. You are a bright, twinkling star. Shine your light everywhere. Sparkle, sparkle. Is that a UFO? Let's meet an alien. Wiggle your antennas and say beep, boop, beep. Can you walk like an alien? We are passing Saturn. Let's make the rings around the planet. Twist your body and look behind you. How far can you see? A shooting star! Make a wish. Move your back up and down. Zoom, zoom. Here it goes. We landed on Mars. Drive your space rover. Keep your tummy strong. Beep, beep. Over the rocks we go. A star is exploding. It's a supernova. Hold your balance. Stay strong. Boom! You're doing great. Close your eyes. You are floating in space. No gravity, just peace. Drift away among the stars. Namaste. We are back on Earth. What a journey! Did you see the aliens? Don't forget to subscribe for our next trip, the wild jungle. See you soon and namaste.